Welcome to Drawing with Julie Gwen. This is the MerMay 2019 edition.
It's day 2 of MerMay and the theme is Rascal.
So today we are combining MerMay with my very first Paletteful unpacking. I just started getting Paletteful, so I was really excited to try it out. The first thing that I pull out is this Maribue Garaphix Aqua ink, and it comes with 8 nice large colors. This is the Premier Pack box. They included a couple of very nice paint brushes, Princeton Artist Brush Co. Velvet Touch. There's a number 6 flat and a 3 round. This set of 8 aqua inks retails at $23.92. Here we have a Maribue Garaphix black fineliner set of 4, retailing at $6.99. And here is a nice paper pack of Strathmore 400 series mixed media paper. It's 6x8 and it retails at $5.29. This is a nice thick paper with a smooth finish. And of course the box comes with this nice description card talking about everything that's included with it.
Okay, Mama, let's get started.
Okay, Miss Molly, this drawing is inspired by my little rascal, Molly. And I did use the fineliner set to do the line work on this art piece that came with the Paletteful box. It does really well with not bleeding with these inks. I only tried one of these Maribue Garaphix inks before. I think I got a sample in a different art box before in purple, and I love these. I'm really impressed. They can be so vibrant, or you can water them down like you see I did here with this light green.
She looks beautiful, Mama. I love it.
Thanks, Miss Molly. I really love it too. I am so impressed with this Strathmore paper. It works very well. It's a little bit different than just regular watercolor paper. It's got a smooth finish, and I think it does take maybe a slightly longer to absorb thicker layers, but this ink layers so well, and you'll see that once I get to the point where I color in the water and even on the skin tones. The ink also layers beautifully. You can see on the hair I do a number of different shades of this brown, and you can mix colors really easily. I have my butcher tray over here on the left that I'm mixing colors in, or I just pull them straight from the bottles if I don't need to mix. No matter what I do, my little Molly is always going around with wild hair, so I kind of wanted to catch that here in this painting. She just has crazy hair, tie it back in a ponytail, it falls out, or she pulls it out.
godchild.
Yes, Molly, you are. So I had to mix a skin tone with the colors that they gave me, but they mixed so well. I mixed an orange, a little bit of yellows, and I added some brown. I started with a lighter shade of the blue and then went in and added darker and gave it some nice depth on the picture. And just like regular watercolor, if it bleeds, you can see I blotted that purple up real quick, and no mistake there. And I'm in love with this aqua ink. I think it's beautiful. That's what I love about subscription boxes, is it gets different art supplies that I may not have thought about trying or buying. So I found a number of things that I really love. Here she is, my finished little Rascal. And I did go in and add some white accents with some white paint pen.
Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.